In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently log in and navigate your Salesforce account using the Dream Efficiency interface. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking for a refresher, this guide will help you through the steps with ease and clarity. So let's dive right in and explore how you can get the most out of this powerful tool. First off, we're going to start by heading over to the Salesforce login page. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or if you prefer shortcuts, click on your bookmark or saved link to get to the page. It's a familiar sight for those who are regular users, with the distinctive Salesforce logo greeting you on the screen. Once you've arrived on the login page, you'll need to enter your username. This is typically your work email, or the username assigned to you by your Salesforce administrator. Don't forget that Salesforce is sensitive to both spelling and case, so double-check that everything is entered correctly before moving on. Now it's time to input your password. Like your username, this needs to be entered carefully to ensure you don't lock yourself out with too many incorrect attempts. A little tip here. If you have trouble remembering your passwords, consider using a password manager for secure storage and easy access. With both your username and password entered, you're ready to log in. Simply click the Login button and give the system a moment to load into that. Depending on your connection, this can take a few seconds, so hang in there and let Salesforce do its thing. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the home page of your Salesforce environment. Now it's time to take a look at your profile by clicking on View Profile. This is where you can manage your personal details and preferences to make your Salesforce experience more personalized and efficient. Last but not least, when you're done with your session, it's important to log out to ensure your account remains secure. Navigate to the profile again and select Logout. This will safely end your session, protecting your data from unauthorized access. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through logging in, accessing your profile, and logging out of Salesforce. This simple routine, when done regularly, helps you maintain both efficiency and security in your Salesforce usage. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps streamline your daily operations with Salesforce. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or browse through other tutorials that can assist you on your journey to mastering Salesforce. Until next time, happy managing